common sight in dry areas, while others look at it as an upside-down tree. The majestic baobab is an icon of the African continent. In southeastern Kenya, the tree has become a lifeline for local communities who are joining the superfoods trend as the demand for the tree's byproducts grow. As CGTN's Najam Abdurazik reports, products from this area will be entering the Chinese market through the ongoing China International Import Expo.
A historic baobab forest found here in southeastern Kenya, about 5 hours drive from the capital, Nairobi. Locals say the oldest tree here is around 800 years old. An arid climate is what has kept the ecosystem alive for so long, with little to none in terms of vegetation. For the locals, the leaves, bark, roots, fruits and seeds of the baobab tree have been passed down from generation to generation. Nelly Ngunguru is the founder of Baobab Tree Products Company. Her business began right here.
The baobab tree is a very interesting tree. In fact, it is normally called the tree of life. And this is because it is one of those trees that has very numerous benefits for both human beings and animals. The second thing is that it is known as the upside down tree because it looks very interesting, because the branches actually resemble roots.
The locals tell us it takes 15 to 20 years for a baobab tree to bear fruit, after which the annual harvesting cycle can take up to 9 to 10 months. As our interview goes on, these freshly picked baobab fruits are on their way to the factory, where they will shortly be processed.
This is where we cut the fruit open. Then she opens the fruit to check if it's okay.
So you can use this one, you can even eat. It's like a sweet.
That's how the inside of the baobab fruit looks like. We started the company in 2018, and it came from just getting to know that products that we have in Africa are highly demanded across the world. And we source baobab fruits from at least 1,000 farmers in the semi-arid Makueni County in Kenya, and then process these fruits into baobab fruit powder and baobab oil.
Nelly's company has eyes on the Asian market, mainly China, joining the China International Import Expo this year.
The first time I heard about the CIIE, the China International Import Expo, was from a friend who had participated in a previous expo, and she had found it very beneficial. She actually highly recommended it. So we see a very huge opportunity for us to venture into this very key market that has huge potential for our products.
From Africa to Asia, the expo has also brought new economic opportunities to Kenyan farmers. It's one that is not just improving their living conditions, but also contributing to the larger African sustainability goal.